Welcome back, guys. Jerry here with the Happy Hootie. We drive an Acura MDX as one of our vehicles, and the other day the light came on that said it's time to change the battery in our remote. This Acura remote right here is the one that goes to my wife's 2022 Acura MDX, and surprisingly, it's already got a low battery. So I'm going to show you how to change that battery quick and easy. Let's get in close, and I'll show you how to do it. Here we have a typical Acura key. This comes from a 2022 Acura MDX. It's a really nice key. It's really well built. It's a good quality key. I really like the feel and the texture of this key. It's got some metal, it's got some plastic. It feels very solid. But when the batteries start to go in this, it's a little different to get in there. There is a button on the back of these like there is on several others, but this button's really difficult to push, and you've got to really get in there with something to get that pushed, and my fingers just aren't quite good enough to do it. So you've got to have a tool to get in there and push on that, to then be able to pop that off of there. It does kind of spring out, and there you have your key. That is the access key. If for some reason this battery should die, that laser cut key will be able to enter the door. And then you have your battery operated portion here of the key. And when you flip over this key, next to the key ring area there's a little notch on the bottom. And you can take your flathead screwdriver and stick it in the end of there and turn it just a little bit. It'll pop that bottom piece off. You can see that's held in there by a clip up there where we popped it off. And it's held onto the back by two little teeth that slide in there. And this has got a pretty standard battery. This is a Panasonic branded CR2032. It's a 3-volt battery, but that's a pretty standard battery. You should be able to pick that up just about anywhere that batteries are sold. It, like traditional, like a lot of these, it slides in and there's a couple little tiny clips at this back end, but if you get under the back edge of this and just kind of twist it just a little bit, that'll pop right out of there. We're going to go ahead and put that back edge in first, and then pushing that back in there, it's kind of spring loaded there. Push back in until you can push down and clip that back into place. And then using the top part here, it's got the teeth on it. We're going to slide the teeth in first and then push down firmly to secure that back into place. Then you'll just need to take your other key and insert it in there, and this will then go up through there, lock that back into place. And now you've got your key all reassembled, and you'll need to go test that out to make sure that that works, you know, that you can lock it and unlock it and start the engine, and make sure that all the lights and buttons and everything work and it functions the way that it's supposed to before you go on your next trip. I do hope you found that little tutorial about changing out our battery helpful. I know it can be tricky, but sometimes when you get up close and you can really look at it, it really makes a difficult task easy. Thanks again for watching. Please do feel free to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And until next time, we'll see you on the road.